Go, gordo.
Bye.
Whoa. Good boy.
Getting off the cruise in Taino Bay, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic.
They got this cool motor taxi, but we need the exercise after everything you drink and eat. Let's go on our tour. Welcome to the Dominican Republic. A little bit as soon as you walked in. Coming from the Taino Bay duty free. It's the place we need to come visit. Alright, we're gonna go inside our favorite place, the Aviarius Bear Experience.
Say something about all of them. If you have any questions, you can tell me. Don't worry about it. Thanks for the opportunity and visit our bird experience. Don't worry. They are macaws. Right here we got two ring-winged macaws. If you can see for the color, they are red and the wings are green. Nico and Luna. And by the moment they are like 4 to 5 years, they are young. This is Nico, yes.
That's so scary. Okay.
Up because they can feel safe and superior to the other team's family. And inside, if you can see in the spot, we put the water, food, and other things for them. We put them rich. Up. Good girl. Hola. 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 This is Cherry. Hola. Oh. Albacaca too, and in other countries say umbrella for this. Yes, if you can see a good point with the sky, that one has black eyes. He likes to pet. Yes, you can see. He loves to feel love, your love.
Oh, look at
Yes,
that. This is one of my favorite ones, and you can tell why. Somebody write in the comment and tell my wife that I need one for my birthday, for Christmas. This guy.
looks bigger than the others, for example. That one is the oldest one and the biggest one in here. The name is Dominic. Dominic is a Catalina macaw. It's one of the most popular colors in that family. It's a hybrid macaw. It's a combination in the red and blue. And for that reason, he has that color, so it's big like that way. If you can see, it's a beautiful color. Dominic is like 18 years old at the moment. Inside,
Hey, Dominic.
they get out and pass the coconut tree all the time. Yes.
Also here, if you're looking for a great picture with the cruise in the back, trust me, it is amazing picture.
It's Taino. Taino is older ringwings like Nico. That one is like 7 years old. Up. You can see he's playing with me, he's not biting. If they want to bite family, they can break our fingers so fast. It's not right here, lady, you first. Bad words. Yes, you
Because
see
bad
it
words?
happen, yes.
Banana. Banana. He only got one eye. He was rescued. Hey, Banana. You can only see on one eye.
Whoa.
He's the athletic one in here, yes. Hola, hola. Oh, come over here. Come. Come over here, Ray. Come. The other one behind him is Simon. Simon is a champion. Gordo, wings up. Wings up. Oh, good boy. Now, pull ups. Pass your head again. Hola. Whoa, that's for you. Gordo is 13 years old and Simon is 14. Simon is a combination in the red and green, and for that reason she has that colors. All time they fight and play, it's normal family. If you can, then this is better for them.
With the music,
Yes.
he can dance.
Why is he gordo? He's exercising.
Right? He should be muscles.
Yes. For example,
Hey,
this
hey,
family
hey,
is
hey,
a medic
hey,
training that we
hey.
give for them. For example, wings up, we can check the wings, things. And sometimes we put like that way, like babies, for check this. Come over here.
Hey, 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 hey. Go, Gordo. Go, Gordo. Hey, 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 hey.
Right here we got two Scarlets family, Lolo and Grifo. This is Grifo, is a girl, and this is Lolo. Lolo, come over here. Here. Come over here. Oh, now do the Spider-Man. Here. The Spider-Man. Whoa, hola. Hola. Ooh, that's for you. Oh. Come over here. Come. Come over here, family, a little close to me. 1 second. Hola. Hola. Whoa, now talk talk. Whoa, one more. Talk talk. Whoa. Say goodbye. Goodbye. With the other hand. Goodbye. Be careful with the girl. And family, if you can see the right here, you can see that one. She's big family. Blue. They are
Taina.
6 years old.
That's Taina.
Yes, I know big.
Wow.
Wow, she's big.
Taina.
That's Taina.
Come over here, please.
That's for Taina and Blue.
Lady, come over here with me together.
Taina and Blue.
Alright. Now you with him.
I got you.
As soon as you're done with the experience, don't forget to have some fun. There's a lot of bars, a lot of stores, great pools to enjoy. This is one of our favorite spots, and this is why I'm sharing with you guys. So if you come down, you know what you're looking for, you know what to expect, and I hope you have great fun. Enjoy the video. Make sure you like this video and share it.
Taino Bay, Puerto Plata. Alright, we're done here in Taino Bay, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Unfortunately, I couldn't bring none of the birds, but I hope you come, you visit, you check it out, and let me know how you like it.